Hello, and welcome back to Talk Data to Me, where AI meets the culture. I'm your host, Shahana Muhammad, and I want to thank you for listening. If you are not already subscribed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And today, I want to go a little deeper, not into apps, not into prompts, into infrastructure. Because while everybody is talking about smarter AI, a bigger question is emerging. Who governs the intelligence building our future? And what if trust is becoming the new infrastructure? I think it's a mixture of trust and no other choice. But I like to think a little bit on the lighter side. So AI agents need governance. We moved from AI as a tool, and that's what it is on a regular consumer level, right? To AI as an agent. And this is now me zooming out to see what's going on a global scale. How will this help to restructure the current infrastructure? Agents can schedule, negotiate, make decisions, even act on your behalf. And then that raises a deeper question. Who is governing systems that can act for people? This has become a major conversation globally because infrastructure used to mean roads, bridges, power grids. But now, infrastructure may also mean trust. Can systems be trusted? Can institutions be trusted? Can the people building AI be trusted? That may be the real race. Now, another conversation that's growing louder within the AI space, countries want their own AI infrastructure. I think this is one of the main reasons why we see the formulation of certain countries coming together and being part of unions. And I'm not going to get into all of that here, but it makes sense, right? If we have our own infrastructure, we do things a certain way. I don't have to depend on you as a country or whatever. I don't have to depend on you. I have my own situation. Their own chips, their own models, their own data sovereignty. Why? Because AI is becoming geopolitical power. And that means economics, digital identity, and governance are all starting to collide. AI isn't just changing business, it may be reshaping who holds power. Now, I'm going to do my black tech spotlight, but listen, I'm not making fun of the names. It's just they're a bit challenging to say, and I would rather not mispronounce it, which is why I always leave it in the description box. But I'm going to try to say the first name. Timnit Gebru. She's been asking hard questions for years. Who benefits from AI? Who gets harmed? Who gets excluded? And that matters because innovation without accountability is just power moving fast. So let's Ctrl Alt Dream. Imagine if trust became public infrastructure, like clean water, like electricity. Imagine community-owned AI, ethical agents working for people, data treated like something sacred. Maybe the future isn't about building smarter machines. Maybe it's about building wiser systems. This has been Talk Data to Me. I want to thank you so much for listening. And if you've made it this far, comment community to let me know. I think that's the best use case of AI, but I also believe we have the power to shape. This is why I want to have a conversation. This has been a short, sharp, somewhat different episode, because sometimes the biggest AI story isn't what the technology can do, it's who gets to shape what it becomes. Until next time.